Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Wealthfront, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Wealthfront website or download the app on your device. Create an account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. Once logged in, follow the prompts to link your bank account for financial data access. Navigate to the budgeting tool, usually found in the dashboard or main menu. Begin by entering your monthly income to set a financial baseline. Input your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Next, list variable expenses, including groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Utilize the app's categories to organize each expense for better tracking. Review the suggested budget allocations provided by Wealthfront. Adjust categories as needed, tailoring the budget to fit your lifestyle and goals. Set savings goals, whether for emergencies, travel, or long-term investments. Monitor your spending regularly through the app's tracking features. Check for insights or recommendations offered by Wealthfront to optimize your budget. Make adjustments to your spending habits based on these insights. Consider setting up automatic savings transfers to reach your goals more effectively. Revisit your budget periodically to ensure it aligns with any changes in your financial situation. Stay committed and disciplined to maintain your budgeting routine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.